Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to remove WhatsApp blocks on your Android phone. WhatsApp is a popular messaging app that allows you to stay in touch with friends and family worldwide. Sometimes blocking contacts is necessary when communication needs to end, but blocks can also be accidental, requiring removal of restrictions to resume chatting. We will walk you through steps to unblock contacts on WhatsApp for restarting messaging with specific people on your Android device. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone or tablet. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings from the menu. Look for Account and tap to access account options. Underneath, choose Privacy to adjust notifications and who can contact you. The Privacy page will display available settings including blocked contacts. Tap Blocked Contacts to view contacts you have restricted. Scroll through the list until finding the contact name you wish to unblock. Tap anywhere on the contact details to access options. After selecting the block contact, tap Unblock to remove restrictions preventing them from sending you messages or viewing your profile updates. The following prompt requests confirmation for stopping the block. Tap Unblock again to proceed with removing the restriction. Once unblocked, the contact will appear under your full list of chats once more. They will be notified that you have removed them from blocked contacts, allowing conversation to continue as before. Consider reasons for blocking contacts originally when determining if unblocking them is appropriate currently. Sometimes restrictions need to stay in place, other times communication can resume without issue. Blocks can always be reinstated in the future if needed through the same WhatsApp settings. Third-party WhatsApp themes, mods or add-ons present extra applications with vulnerabilities rather than using the built-in contact block controls. For blocking, unblocking, or adjusting access with specific people, the native options themselves offer an easy solution with minimum complications or security risks. In summary, to remove WhatsApp blocks, open WhatsApp Settings, Account, Privacy, Blocked Contacts. Select Contact, tap Unblock. Confirm by tapping Unblock again. Blocks will then be disabled, allowing messaging to continue. Reblock through same steps if restrictions need to be set in place once more. Let me know if any other WhatsApp options or features on using your Android device require clarification. I can provide guidance for effectively and securely using WhatsApp and all available tools. Hello everyone and welcome back.